Hello students, myself Dr. Rupali V. Goel, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department SVIT Vasar. Today I am going to cover the topic that is very important, which is called Smart City, which is included in the syllabus of first year for all branches in the subject of Environmental Science, having subject code 3111007. First, we should know what is the meaning of smart city, but there is no universally accepted definition which is adopted for smart city. So it means different things to different people, and the conceptualization of the smart city varies from city to city and country to country. Basically, it depends on the level of development and willingness to change and reform, resources and aspirations of city's resident. So what is smart in these smart cities? So real smartness of any smart city lies in the use of Internet of Things, which is called as IoT, use of machine to machine communication, that is M2M, standardized, safe, secure, accountable and harmonized way to fulfill the dreams and aspirations of its citizen. So basically, if you want to define smart city in your way, so it is nothing but it is connecting the basic infrastructures. So four basic infrastructure it is required, that is physical infrastructure, institutional and IIT infrastructure, social infrastructure and economic, that is business infrastructure, to leverage the collective intelligence of a city, or you can say a city striving to make itself smarter, more efficient, more equitable and more livable. So these are the basic objectives of any smart cities. So first thing, it has to provide basic infrastructure that we have discussed, good quality of life to its citizen, clean and sustainable environment, that is the prime requirement of any smart city, applications of smart solutions to make it as a replicable model so that other cities, those who want to develop as a smart city, they can take advantage of that. Then focused on the sustainable and inclusive development, that is development of all. Now if any smart city is to be constructed, or if any city is to be converted into smart cities, which are the core infrastructures required? So this is the list of core infrastructure that is required for any smart city. So adequate water supply, assured electricity, 24/7 electricity, good sanitation condition including proper management of solid waste, which is a proper solid waste management system, efficient urban mobility and public transport system has to be there, then affordable housing and particularly for the poor people, then robust IT connectivity and digitalization. This is the key requirement for any smart city. Then good governance, and particularly it is e-governance, and also citizens participation is major concern in any smart city, because their suggestion through which the government can improve their e-governance system. Then sustainable environment, so this is as far as environment is concerned, it is very important. Safety and security of all the citizens, particularly women, children and elderly people. And last, that is health and education. So all are the basic or the core infrastructure that are to be provided in any smart city. Now here we can just summarize the basic component of any smart city. So that is related to security, it may be cyber security or it may be physical security. Next is sustainability, so this is environmental point of view, energy, agriculture, economic and environment. Then proper connectivity in terms of people, places, things and information. And mobility, that is physical mobility as well as economic mobility. So these are the basic features of any smart city: energy and utilities, transport, education, healthcare, smart building, public safety, e-governance and green city. So for any smart city, these are the basic features. It promotes the mixed land use in an area, which is based development, then reduce congestion and air pollution and resource depletion. Then it boosts the local economy and promote the interactions and assure security. Then it promotes the variety of transport options, so that is related to mobility. So public transport systems should be proper, and last mile transport connectivity should be proper, making governance citizen friendly and cost effective. So generally it relies on the online services to bring about the accountability and transparency, and especially using mobiles to reduce the cost of services and providing services without having to go to the municipal office. So e-governance, that is major one, applying smart solutions to infrastructure and services in area based development in order to make them better. For example, making the areas less vulnerable to disaster using fewer resources and providing cheaper services. So these are all the features that is required in any smart city. So what is the meaning of smart solutions? So smart solutions are application of information technology and communication to municipal services and infrastructure to make them better. So smart water meters are to be installed and billing system should be developed accordingly. Remotely controlled automatic distribution valves should be provided so that can be controlled automatically. Then real time online system of monitoring water quality, because water quality is very important criteria for any city. So if proper monitoring is to be done, it should be online and real time. City-wide intelligent video surveillance system, that is very important from the security point of view, using mobile phones for cyber tour of the work site. So these are just smart solution. Major application is from the IT&C, that is information technology and communication system. So here all the smart solution in different sectors that are shown, that is e-governance and citizen services, so public information and grievance redressal system, electronic service delivery, citizen engagement, citizens eye and ears, so that is public participation, video crime monitoring, these are all included in e-governance and citizen services. Then waste management, that is environment point of view, waste to energy approach that can be converted into fuel, waste to compost, then wastewater treatment, then recycling and reduction of the construction and demolition waste. Then what proper water management is to be applied, that is smart meter and management, leakage detection, identification and prevention and maintenance, then water quality monitoring through online sensors. Then for the energy management, smart meters and its management, renewable sources of energy to be used, energy efficient and green buildings are to be developed. For urban mobility, smart parking should be developed, intelligent traffic management, then integrated multimodal transport can be adopted, and other systems like telemedicines and teleeducations, that is online education, then incubation or trade facilitation centers and skill development centers. So by applying all this smart solution, we can convert any city into smart city. So these are some of the example of smart city arrangement which can be provided. So here there is arrangement of smart bins in smart city. So sensor based waste collection bins, it can be used to identify the status of waste bins and if it is empty or filled. So to customize the waste collection schedule according to whatever schedule of filling and emptying, and also you can save the cost. Also you can provide the rainwater harvesting system for saving of water. So generally in smart city concept, each building or houses, they are generally provided with the underground tanks apart from the daily use of underground tank. So during the rainy season, the water from the roof of the building can be collected and in specially designed underground tank, through pipes and laterals it will move, and this stored water in the underground tank is useful during the drought condition or during the summer season, so that will reduce the quantity of fresh water requirement. So this kind of rainwater harvesting system can be adopted for the large apartments. So also this construction of green building, that is very essential in smart cities. Then smart street lighting can be adopted. The street lighting system is a common concept of every city, but smart city, it introduced the smart street lighting system, in which all the lighting system will be LED, and it works on the concept of solar energy by the use of solar panels, and it does not require any workman to on off, but it will work automatically on the basis of fixed time which is set by the software. So here you can see this kind of smart city lighting system. Now proper networking, that is the heart of any smart city. So it is the most important implementation in the concept of smart city, and it includes the high broadband connectivity and good accuracy in the network, such as fiber to the home and 4G long term evolution and IP. Also this good GIS system is to be developed, which is geographical information system. It is basically a data management system. Whatever data we are having, that we have to properly manage. and that provides many facilities for surveyors and planners. So it is basically computer based. It collects and stores the spatial reference data, so from the remote sensing and whatever data which are collected, that are to be correlated with the attribute data, means field data, and that can be utilized to manipulate, analyze and display in a suitable format. So this is very important system, GIS, which is to be adopted in any smart city for the combination of data and to analyze and to display it. So this is GIS, that is combination of so many things that are to be adopted and that is to be applied. So here also you can go for the multi-level parking in any smart city to reduce the congestion of traffic, etc. So here in India, smart city mission was introduced to build smart cities in India. So this is called as the smart city mission. So it is the urban renewable and retrofitting program of government of India, and with the mission to develop 100 smart cities across the country. So this 100 smart city mission was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th June 2015, and total of 98,000 crore has been approved by Indian cabinet for the development of 100 smart cities and rejuvenation of 500 others. So basically its aim is to make them citizen friendly as well as sustainable. So in the smart city selection process, it is based on the idea of the cooperative and competitive federalism. Each city, they are diverse, and each city has to construct its idea and its vision for the smart city, and that is aligned with their local contexts. And this city selection process, it follows two stages. So in stage 1, intrastate city selection was done, and on objective criteria to identify the cities to compete in a second stage. So this second stage, all India competition to select the smart city for multiple round of selections. So under that, the first 20 smart cities that were selected. So here the list of all these 20 smart cities that are given here: Bhubaneswar, Pune, Jaipur, Surat, Kochi, NDMC, then Ahmedabad, Jabalpur, Visakhapatnam, Solapur, then Devangre, then Indore, Coimbatore, Kakinada, Belgaum, Udaipur, then Guwahati, Chennai, Ludhiana and Bhopal. So total 100 cities that were developed, that are going to be developed as a smart city under this smart city mission. So these are the top smartest cities globally, that are, these are the rank of the countries are given. So first country or the top rank is given to Singapore. So with this I would like to end my lecture. Thank you everyone, and I hope that whatever contents that I have shared, that will be very useful to you in your GTU examination. Thank you all.